Good evening, students. Welcome to my English tutorial channel Make English Easy. Today, I am going to solve exercise in composition 24 of Rain and Martin. This exercise is based on articles. I have done many videos on articles. I have given the links of those videos. Please read those or watch those videos carefully. Then you try to solve this exercise. This exercise is a very hard exercise. Students need to insert an proper article in a line. So without having extensive knowledge of articles, students will find it difficult to solve this exercise. So I have given the links. Please read those first. See, there are 30, also there are 55 lines. Okay. So students need to insert a proper article. Okay. First thing, number one, while there is life, there is hope. So there is no need to insert any preposition, any article. Number two, her knowledge of medicine had been acquired under dash Jews. So there will be under an age. Next, sun rises in east. So you insert the sun. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Number 4. The brave soldier lost arm in battle. So it will be lost an arm in the battle. So the line is the brave soldier lost an arm in the battle. Number 5. A doctor says it is hopeless case. So you need to article insert A. So the doctor says it is a hopeless case. So it is a hopeless case. Number 6. I like to live in open air. It will be I like to live in the open air. Okay, I like to live in the open air. So please check the description box and read the articles, or I would say watch the article videos. If you watch those videos attentively, you will have a good understanding of the articles. Then you will find it easier to solve this exercise. Number 6 I have done. Number 7, get dash pound of sugar from the nearest shop. So get a pound of sugar from the nearest shop. So get a pound of sugar from the nearest shop. Next, number 8, set back clock, it is hour too fast. Set the clock, okay, set the clock, it is an hour too fast. So set back the clock, it is an hour too fast. Number 9, the poor woman has not dash rupee. The poor woman has not a rupee. Number 10, you must take care. So you don't need any article in that line. So next, number 11, Eskimos make houses of snow and ice. So use the Eskimos. So the line is the Eskimos make houses of snow and ice. Number 13, have you never seen dash elephant? Have you never seen an elephant? Have you never seen an elephant? Now 14. Draw map of India. Draw map of India. So draw the map of India. Draw the map of India. Number 15. Do not look gift horse in mouth. Do not look a gift. Okay. Do not look a gift in the gift horse in the mouth. Do not look a gift horse in the mouth. Number 16. Have you told him about incident? So have you told him about the incident? Have you told him about the incident? Number 17. Tagore was great poet. Tagore was a great poet. Okay. Please subscribe my channel to get exciting videos which will help you to get good scores. Okay. Number 18. How blue sky looks. How blue the sky looks. Number 19. Who wishes to take walk with me? Who wishes to take a walk with me? Number 20. What beautiful scene this is. What a beautiful scene this is. Number 21. The musician was old Muslim. The musician was an old Muslim. Number 22. The river was spanned by dash iron bridge. The river was spanned by an iron bridge. The river was spanned by an iron bridge. Okay. Number 23. The moon did not rise till after 10. The moon did not rise till after 10. Number 24. Like true sportsmen, they would give enemy fair play. Like true sportsmen, they would give the enemy. Number 25. They never fail who die in great cause. They never fail who die in a great cause. In a great cause. Number 26. There is nothing like, say, staying at home for comfort. So we don't need any article. Okay, skip that one. Next, 27. He likes to picture herself as original thinker. He likes to picture himself as original thinker. It is never thankful offense to offer advice. It is never a thankful office to offer advice. Number 29. Umbrella is of no avail against thunderstorm. So will be an umbrella. An umbrella is of no avail against the thunderstorm. Number 30. I have never seen him since he was child. I have never seen him since he was a child. Number 31. For Brutus is dash honorable man. For Brutus is an honorable man. Okay. Number 32. Neil Armstrong was first man to walk on moon. So Neil Armstrong was the first man, okay, to walk on the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon. Number 33. Man has no more right to say an evil thing than to act one. Man has no more right to say an uncivil thing than to act once. Okay, please subscribe. Next, 34. We started late in afternoon. We started late in the afternoon. Okay, we started late in the afternoon. Number 35. It is a strange thing how little in general people know about sky. So it would be about the sky. Okay, about the sky. Next, 36. The scheme failed for want of support. It would be the scheme. The scheme failed for want of support. Number 37. Tiger, the animal equal to lion in size, is native of Asia. So it would be the tiger. The tiger is an animal equal to the lion in size and is a native. So you get 4. Very hard. The tiger, an animal equal to the lion in size, is a native of Asia. Number 38. Time makes worst enemies friend. Time makes the worst enemies friend. Time makes the worst enemies friend. Number 39. My favorite flower is rose. My favorite flower is the rose. Number 40. Time we live ought not to be computed by number of years, but by use that has been made of them. So it would be the time we live ought not to be computed by number of years, but by the use that has made them. Okay, another one. Okay, let me do another. The time we live ought not to be computed by the number of years. Okay, so the time we live ought not to be computed by the number of years, but by the use that has been made of them. Number 41. Okay, number 41. Mumbai dash largest cotton textile center in country. The largest. Mumbai is the largest. Number 41. Mumbai is the largest cotton textile center in the country. Number 42. Men are too often led astray by prejudice. So you don't need to insert any article. Only dash best quality is sold by us. Only the best quality. Okay, I have done many videos on articles. I have done one video on the use of article the. So please check that video in the description box. So all the points I have mentioned, all the points where the should be used. Okay. Number 44. What kind of bird is that? What kind of bird is that? We don't require any article. Number 45. Wild animals suffer when kept in captivity. So you don't require any article. Number 46. May we have dash pleasure of your company. May we have the pleasure of your company. Number 47. It was proudest moment of my life. It was the proudest moment of my life. Okay. Number 48. Andamans are group of islands in Bay of Bengal. The Andamans. So you know before islands we use the Andamans. A group of islands are a group of islands in the Bay of Bengal. Before ocean we use the. Please watch that video. I have done one video on the uses of the, another one on the uses of a or another one uses of a or an, where we should put an instead of a or a instead of an, and where we should not use article, and how use of article the changes the meaning of a line completely. I have done all the videos. If you watch those videos attentively, in any examination, in school level or competitive level, you will find it very easy to solve any article based questions. Okay. Number 49. He started school when he was 6 years old. So you don't require any article. Number 50. He neglects attending church, though church is few yards from the house. This is a very tricky one. So first thing, when we use the, that means we are mentioning the building itself, not the activity, regular activities done in that building. Suppose if I go to church, it means I go there for prayers. If I say go to the church, then it may be for another reason. Maybe I go to meet someone. Okay. Maybe I work in the church. So it generally, so in this line, he neglects attending church, though church is only few years from his house. So here prayers are not mentioned. So here the church is emphasized. So we use the. Okay. So he neglects attending the church. So I give if you watch my video, article ka miracle. In that video, I have discussed. Suppose I say I go to market, and I also say I go to the market. So what is the difference? When I say I go to market, that means I go there to buy something. When I say I go to the market, it signifies that I go to market but not to buy anything. Maybe maybe to meet someone. Okay, so this is the difference. But in this line, if I say not, if I don't add the before church, it represents that for prayer. But it is very tricky. He neglects attending that dash church, though church is few years from his house. So here if it signifies that the building itself is being emphasized. So I have used the. Okay. This is a controversial one. Okay. So if you say okay, he may go to if someone say he may go church for prayers. Okay. In that case, you don't use the. But according to my conception, the building is mentioned. So I have used the. Okay. So that church, though the church is a few yards From his house. So he neglects attending the church, though the church is a few yards from his house. Number 51. March is the third month of year. The March is the third month. One second. We don't use, sorry. Okay, we don't use the before March because, sorry, March is March is the third month of the year. Okay, March is the third month of the year. Number 52. Dr. Arnold was headmaster of rugby. So we don't require any article. Number 53. Man cannot live by bread alone, so you don't require any article. Number 54. When will father be back? We don't require any article. And the last one, 55. Apennies are in Italy. So we are mentioning the Apennies. The Apennies are in Italy. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please watch the videos I have done on articles and check the description box, and then you solve this one. Thank you.